pretty decorations for this year's upcoming New Year's party. Because we're making decorations on a budget. Let's go! So for my first project, I needed some pine cones, and luckily I live in an apartment that has a lot of pine cone trees. So I decided to go for a walk with my dog and pick some pine cones. You're going to take your black construction paper and fold it in half and fold it again so you can have 4 different pieces to represent the 2020. After, you're going to take your pencil and you're just going to write 2020 on each sheet of paper. Next step, you're going to take your glue. I like to use clear glue, but you can use any glue that works for you. Go ahead and trace your pencil numbers with the glue. I like to use a paintbrush just to kind of smear it, give it a more of a bolder look. After that's done, you're going to take any glitter you like and go ahead and sprinkle it on each of your glue numbers. Next, you're going to take your twine and measure it to make sure it can cover all 4 of the numbers. Once you have your right size, go ahead and cut it. Once that's all done, you're going to go ahead and use your clothespins, and you're just going to pin all 4 numbers for 2020. Yay! For my next project, I'm using this gold glitter frame I got from the dollar store, along with this free printout I got from the internet. I've listed the website below. Be sure to check it out for some awesome, cool images. Once you have it cut out, go ahead and open up the frame, and you're just going to put your awesome, inexpensive, but also looking expensive picture in the picture frame, and you've got a beautiful New Year's Day picture. For this project, I went to the Dollar Tree and got these champagne plastic glasses. 6 come in a pack. You're going to need Mod Podge, glitter, a sponge brush, scissors, and a piece of paper. Go ahead and pull off just the bottom pieces, since we're only going to be using these pieces and not the top. Then we're going to go ahead and put some Mod Podge in all of them. And using your sponge brush, you're going to just spread the glue all over, covering the entire bottom part. Take your glitter and you're just going to go ahead and sprinkle all 6 bottoms. It's okay if it looks really cloudy and white. Once the glue dries, it'll become clear. That's what's great about Mod Podge. After I got my pine cones, I went and got some glue in a can, and I got each pine cone and just sprayed each of them with my glue in a can. Once the glue is on there, you're going to go ahead and sprinkle a lot of glitter on each of the pine cones. Please note, glitter is messy, and if you're not a fan of glitter, this is not a project for you. Ha! Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys liked New Year's Eve DIY decorations for 2020. Hope you all have a great new year, and be safe out there. Don't drink and drive. Bye!